This is an example of a turn-up plain hem that you do at the start of knitting. I've knitted some waste yarn here, and now I'm switching to the main yarn, which is at tension 5, but for the first row I do tension 5 plus 3, which is tension 8, and I do one row across. Now I switch it back to tension 5 and I do 11 rows. Rows ending on the left. I do one more row at tension plus 3, which is again 8, one across, put it back to 5, tension 5, and do 10 more rows. Put it back to tension 8 for one last row across. Now I remove all the weights and the clips. Makes it a lot easier if it's light. And I take off the cast on bar here. And get my three by 1, and I've got 21 stitches on, but when you look at the loops here, there are only from here to there are only 20. So what you have to do is on this end there's a little loop here that you can barely see, and that you get into and stick it on the last one. But I start off doing on the left here, and I'm going to pick up 3 stitches at a time if I'm lucky. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, or you can do one at a time, of course. But usually 3 at a time works out. You can pull them apart a little bit if they're not going in properly, but these seem to be just about right. And 3 more at the end here. Now I've got 3 left, and there's only 2 that I can actually see easily, so I do one at a time here. And that easy one I can find there. And then I have to dig around, pull the knitting out at the front here, and find that little twisted stitch on the right, and just get my needle in there and put it on the end. Like that. And I grab some weights. Pull them in to make sure everything is connected. Everything looks good here. And then I put them forward to the D position. Just makes it easier for them to knit. And then at tension plus 3, which is 8, once across to finish.